Okay, let's start passing the journal entry in the books of lessee. Here the lessee is Himalaya Publication Company. So when the royalty for the first year, this is for the year 2010 to 11. Okay. So when the royalty are less than the minimum rent, we need to pass the 4 entry. Already we discussed about these entries. So let's start passing journal entries directly. So here the first is due entry. Due entry. So how much is due in the first year? That is 75,000. Minimum rent account, it's 75,000, sorry, 75,000 to whom it is due? It's landlord. It's due to landlord account, 75,000. Okay, this the first entry is for it's for due entry. You need to write the narration, and the second entry for splitting this into royalty and short working. Okay, so royalty account, short working account, debit to minimum rent account. So how much was the royalty in the first year? It was 45,000. And how much was the short working in the first year? It was 30,000. So total of this is 75,000. The third entry is for payment. To whom we are paying? To landlord. Landlord account to bank account. So how much? 75,000. So 75,000. Okay. Then the next entry is for transferring royalty to P&L account, because that is a expense for Himalaya publication. So profit and loss account, how much it was? If you see, the 45,000 was the royalty. So that we are going to transfer it to P&L account. To royalty account, 45,000. Okay, this is for the first year. Let's see for the next year, 11 and 12. (2011 to 2012). So we are going to repeat the same thing. First one is for due entry, minimum rent account, debit to landlord account. Let's see how much it is. It's again 75,000, 70,000. And the second entry is for splitting the minimum rent into royalty and short working. So royalty account, short working account to minimum rent account. So as per the table, how much was the royalty? It's 63,000. 63,000. And how much is the short working? It's 12,000. Altogether it is 75,000 again. Okay. Then the next is payment entry. Okay. The next is payment entry. One, two. Yes. Who is the landlord here? Actually, the landlord is Mr. Shriram. So here instead of landlord, we can write it as a Shriram account. Okay. So we'll continue in this as a landlord, but otherwise you have to write the name. Landlord account. Landlord account to bank account. So how much we need to pay? 75,000. Okay. Then again next, transfer of royalty account to P&L account. P&L account to royalty account. So as per table, how much is the royalty for the second year? It is 63,000. That we need to transfer it to P&L account. That is 63,000. 63,000. In the third year, the actual royalty is more than minimum rent. So the first entry will be little different. So what is the third year? It is 2012 to 13. Yes. So how much? Royalty account to short working account to landlord account. See, if you see in the third year 12-13, the actual royalty is more than minimum rent. So in this year we are going to adjust the previous year short working. So that's the reason here the royalty is 1,01,250. But how much we are going to adjust for that year? It's 18,000. Okay. So the difference is 83,250, which we need to pay to Mr. Shriram. How much is that? 83,250. 1,01,250 minus 18,000. The amount payable, the amount payable to Mr. Shriram is 83,250. Okay. Then the next entry is a payment entry. Landlord account to bank account. So how much was the due? 83,250. 83,250. Okay. Then next we need to transfer royalty to P&L account. To royalty account. How much was the royalty? It was 1,01,250. 1,01,250. Yes. Do we have any unadjusted short working in that year? No, we don't have any irrecoverable short working. So don't pass the last. There will be one more entry for transferring the irrecoverable short working to P&L account. That we are not going to do it here because we don't have any short working, irrecoverable short working in that year. Okay, then next year 2013 to 14. Yes, again, if you see here, we have actual royalty is more than minimum rent. Again, we have short working which has to be adjusted in this year. So let's pass royalty account to short working account to landlord account. How much is the royalty? It was 1,35,000. How much we adjusted short working? That is 12,000. In that year we adjusted 12,000 short working. So what was the balance? 1,23,000. Okay. Then the next entry is a payment entry. The landlord account debited to bank account. So how much we are going to make a payment? That is 1,23,000. 1,23,000. Okay. Then what is the next entry? If you see, we have irrecoverable short working in that year. That is 13-14. So it's a 12,000. So that again we need to transfer this to P&L account. One, the royalty we are going to transfer to P&L account. P&L account royalty. How much? It was 1,35,000. 1,35,000. And one more entry is to transfer the short irrecoverable short working. Yes, P&L account to, how much is that? Yes, it's a 12,000. Okay, irrecoverable short working. It was 12,000. So it's a 12,000. If you see here, it was 12,000. So is it clear? Okay. And in the last year, again we have actual rent is more than minimum rent. So year 2014 to 15, but we don't have any adjustment in this year. So whatever actual royalty is the Mr. Sriram is earning, that we are going to pay him. That much amount the publishing company is going to make a payment to Sriram. So that is 90,000. So royalty account, how much it is? 90,000 to landlord account. Here landlord means Sriram. It's 90,000. Okay. And then this is the due entry, and how much the landlord is getting? It's 90,000. landlord account 90,000 to bank account 90,000. Okay, then the next entry is for transferring royalty account to P&L account. P&L account to royalty account, that is 90,000. 90,000. So in that year we don't have any irrecoverable short working, so leave it. We are not transferring anything to the P&L account. So these are all the journal entries in the books of lessee. So hope you all got these journal entries. So here in the question they have asked you to open the royalty account. Let me read for you. Yeah, they have asked you to open the royalty account, short working account, and Shriram's account, that is author account, landlord account. So now you know how to post the journal entry. So I'll just explain you for the first year. So here in the question they have asked royalty account and short working account and author account. So first, this is landlord account. Go to the landlord account. On the credit side, post it by minimum rent 75,000. Okay, and for the next year you need to go to on the debit side of royalty account to minimum rent 45,000. Again, on short working, in the short working account you need to go on the debit side to minimum rent with 30,000. Okay, and here again landlord account, go to the landlord account and you need to go to the debit side of the landlord account to bank account 75,000. And the last entry is transferring the royalty account to P&L account. So go to royalty account. On the debit side you need to transfer to P&L account, that is 45,000. Okay, sorry, you need to go to the credit side of the royalty account and buy P&L account 45,000. So here the royalty account is closed now by transferring the balance to P&L account. So this is all about journal entry, ledger posting. You know how to post the ledgers. So now let's move to the next problem.